Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Raj. This video is only for YouTube creators, so if you are not one of them, you can skip this video unless you are interested to create your own channel. But this is mainly for YouTube creators. So if you are a YouTube creator, please watch the entire video without skipping. I'm going to be quickly covering most important tax update. I'm not a tax professional, but I'm just sharing the information that I know. If you're really scared about the tax, you can consult with your tax professionals. But this is very basic information, so I'm going to be showing you everything that you should know. In this video, I'm going to be talking about who should be filling up this form and what will happen if you don't fill up the form and miss the deadline. And also going to show you the steps to fill up this form. The first question, does every YouTuber has to fill up this form? The answer is no. Only if your channel is monetized and if you are making money from YouTube, then you must fill up the form, and there's a deadline. It is May 31st, 2021. So you have to fill it up before the deadline. And if your channel is not monetized, you don't need to do it, and you wouldn't have even received any message from them. But you should also watch this video because you eventually will be getting monetized your channel. So that time you have to fill up, and everybody might fill up this information every 3 years. So if you do once, then you know what to do next time. So let me explain what's happening in the changes. Google is required to collect the tax information from non-US residents. That's why they're sending out this form to fill up to collect your tax information. So nothing to worry about it. So you just fill up the form and you're done. What will happen if you miss the deadline and you didn't fill up? So let's say you make about $2,000 a month from your YouTube channel, and 10% of the viewers are from US. So you're gonna be making about $200 from the US views. So on that $200, the US is going to withhold the tax up to 30%. So 0 to 30% is depending on where you live. So let's pick up the maximum amount. So out of this $200, they're gonna withhold 30%. They're gonna deduct 30%, which is $60 a month, and they're gonna pay you $140. It's depending on where you live. For example, if you're living in UK or Canada, the tax withhold rate might be 0. And if you're in Mexico or Korea, it will be 10%. So it's all depending on where you live. So the maximum is 30% on the income that you're getting from the view from the US only. But what will happen if you miss to fill up this form? If you didn't submit the form before the deadline, the Google will assume that you are a US resident, and they will withhold the tax up to 24% of your entire income. For example, if you made $2,000 a month, they will withhold the tax like 24% on $2,000, which is about $480. They're gonna withhold, and then they're gonna pay you the balance, which is compared to $60 to $480, adds a big difference. So you don't want that. So don't miss it. Fill up the form as soon as possible so you can reduce the withhold amount. Now I'm going to walk you through some important steps when you fill up this form. First, you go to your Google Adsense account and sign in with your username and password, and then click the payments on the left hand side, and then click manage settings and manage tax information. And then here you're going to fill up all your basic information, your name, your address, and the tax information. And this is where people get stuck. There will be two forms, and you have to pick one. So one is W8BEN, the other one is W8BENE. So W8BEN typically for individuals. I assume most of you are individual creators, so you will be choosing that. And if it's a business, then they would need to choose W8BENE. And the second important thing, the tax treaty benefit. They will ask you if you want to claim tax treaty benefit, and if you say yes, in most cases you say yes, and then you pick your country. If you don't see your country in the list, that unfortunately you are not eligible for it, but mostly you will see it, and you pick the country, and then you have to enter foreign TIN, which is tax information number. It is a tax identification number. For example, if you are living in Canada, that's your social insurance number, your SIN number, and every country has different name for it. So you just enter that and then fill up all the information and submit the form. Once you submit, you will see everything green and approved, then you're safe. So make sure you fill this up, otherwise they're gonna deduct a lot of taxes. I hope this video will be helpful for some people. And when you fill up the form, if you still have question, leave it in the comment and I'll try my best to help you out. Okay guys, so if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you in another video.